Greetings. Star Seed is here once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Alright. So right now we're going to jump in at the thing. See? I'm going to want to kind of have an understanding of what I say. Right? Alright. This topic we're going to talk about. We are trapped. Yeah. We are trapped in this world, in this system. See? But here we are going now. And not everybody trapped. Some people, they are free. Freedom is there. You understand what I say? Freedom is there. But here we are going now and here why the problem is. Most people more focused on this type of lifestyle. Where the society, where the system builds us. You understand what I say? How them reprogram my mind. You understand what I say? Every day we get up, we think and act and go about the same way how we've been programmed. You watch the same TV show them. You watch the same news channel them. You have a routine where others you that. You work every day and you wonder, what one? You just come like you're living in slavery. You don't have no money, no care how you work, you pay your bills and you're broke. You understand what I say? And you wonder what one. People, let me tell you something. Let me really tell you something. You have to free on yourself. Yeah. And you probably wonder when I talk about or when I mean, I can make you know. You have to free on yourself. Here we are going now. You see how the system got us programmed? You have to cut off feed them program and reprogram yourself. Yeah. You have to cut off feed them program and reprogram yourself. You have to go within you. Let go all of the old shadow them, the old things them where you don't want no more. Let them go. When you want to feel a peace of mind, go in yourself. Go within you. Hold a meditation. Close your eyes. Listen to something. If you have to listen to some music, if you have to put a picture of an image in your mind, whatever you have to do, just do it. Yeah. And think about the positive things then. You remember, say, when you're there, so, see, when you're holding a meditation or whatever image, you can even look at yourself. You can do whatever you want to do there. You're powerful. That's your world. You understand what I say? Why you don't probably try that and make it become your habit? And you will gradually see how miracle work in many ways. Connect to you. I tell you the first big step for a lot of these people right now. See? Start off with a little 5-minute meditation. Close your eyes. If you have to imagine yourself on a beach, do it. Maybe you feel like you want to float in the sky, do it. What about connect with your ancestors then? Do it. Yeah. You understand what I say? Suppose you want to connect. You understand what I say? So, that's the way there. We have to give thanks to the Father for knowing the blessing that He give us and show us. You understand? And right now, me I show you what I want to know. We have to let go of the old system. The old system ain't working no more. How things usually apparel. Let me show you something. What a lot of people don't know and don't understand. See? Man study, man body. Them a doctor and whatever the case may be. See? But yet, them still can represent or probably them hide it for no say. Yes, it's a natural spiritual being inside of we. Our body ain't nothing because the spiritual being left your body dead. But the body is like, you understand what I say, at the driver. You understand what I say? And that's how the thing work. So, you know, a lot of times when a lot of people want certain things them way, you know, them want to live a decent life, but them don't know how it go. But you always hear say everybody there for your purpose, right? So you don't try to find out what is your purpose. That's the key point right there. Look into yourself and say, then what's my purpose? My purpose I must see this, my purpose I must see that. No. You have to find your purpose within you. You have to find your purpose within you. Be yourself. Don't be a pretender. You understand what I say? Shake off the dark shadow. Make the light shine. You understand what I say? Be powerful within yourself. You understand? That's your word. Just do the right thing to the highest good of your good what you want for mankind, human being. Ask. You understand? It will be granted. I saw the thing work. We have to let go of the old system because it's not working anymore. It's falling apart rapidly. And a lot of people wondering what's going on. Because the reason why they don't understand is because them don't wake up yet. But anytime them wake up, it will be so shocking. But after that, it will feel so good. Remember me tell you that. Yeah. So, yeah man, a star seed once again, you know. More you big up yourself and don't know. You are the mix up and thing. Blessed.